afternoon. We're going for the inaugural trial, start-up and trial. It's finally done. It's not looking quite as tidy as I hoped, but I can paint it, can't I, and do it up. I'll just run through it then. Obviously, we've now got the new back end, the new back plate, the new light system, new number plate, single seat conversion. We've got beta shocks. That shouldn't be there, that's to come out. We've got the special filters my brother got me into, come from China. You've got to buy those direct from the chinks. Yeah, Ben doesn't like my mirror conversion, but I've made a mirror system there. We've got the drop handlebars. They're nice, they are. I did the mudguard last night about 5:45. No, it was about 5:30 in the morning. That obviously needs painting, but I've done the brackets. I did have a problem though. Sheared studs. Look, I've had to drill lugs. Drilled those lugs. Done that. Yeah, put a new headlights around. Obviously, all this has been a bit tricky to do because it's all a bit tight. Anyway, without further ado, let's go. Ignition. Oh, I've made a stand. I make my own stands. I get a piece of tube. I cut 2 slits in with an angle grinder. I get a spring. I put a self-tapper in there and I work it all out. That is 3 inches from there to there. I know that's the right tension for the spring, and then I get my grinder and I cut it to the length. Because obviously if it's a lower bike you need a shorter stand. And, hang on, just to show you what we're on here. Okay. There we are. Swing it around, pick it up, right, put it down, start it up.